Let's talk about how to bath your newborn safely and gently. It's best to wait until your baby's umbilical cord stump has fallen off before you start bathing them properly. You don't need to bath your baby every day, but if they love it, feel free to make it part of your routine. Make sure the room is warm and you've got everything you need. A baby bath filled with warm water, 2 towels, cotton wool and a small sponge. There's no need to use any harsh soaps or shampoo, plain water is fine. However, if you feel you do need to, then make sure it's unscented and suitable for newborn babies. Always run the cold water first and then add hot. Test it with your wrist or elbow. It should feel warm, not hot. Start by gently cleaning your baby's face with water and cotton wool. Be gentle around the eyes, nose and mouth. Next, wash their hair, keeping their head well supported. Now, gently take off their nappy and lower them into the water, supporting their head and shoulders with one hand. Use the other hand to gently wash them, keeping their head clear of the water. When you're done, lift them out carefully and gently pat them dry, paying attention to all those little skin creases. Once they're dry, keep them warm by dressing them quickly or snuggling them in a towel. And remember, never leave your baby alone in the bath.